So we got Wild Peak Mud Terrain tires, and the size is 265 70 17. So the stock rims on this Honda Ridgeline 2019 is an 18-inch rim, but here we have 17-inch rims with what is that, 9.5 width. The rim is a 9.5 width and a 17-inch size rim with a 32 positive offset. And he has 2-inch spacers because you need at least a 1-inch space to clear for the caliper. If not, the caliper will hit the rim, and that is because
depending on
what kind of rim too, depending on what kind of rim and offset you have. Also because, since like I said, this is an original for an 18-inch rim, but we went an inch smaller, you have to kind of clear the caliper. If not, the caliper will hit the inside of the rim.